Just start. So there were how many practicals? Practical 2, 3. So what's in practical 1 and 2? Contour, extract contour lines. Let's begin. Our practical is the practical that activity that we are supposed to do is carry out the NDVI analysis. Okay, so the objective today is to just produce a normal NDVI map using Landsat imagery with our QGIS software. Here we will interpret and classify the vegetation types or the health of the vegetation cover for any selected dates. For Landsat imagery, you can download images based on the dates by timeline. Okay, so here you have the formula that we are going to use in this analysis. It's near infrared minus red divided by near infrared plus red. Right, I will show you how to extract Landsat satellite images from Landsat 8 or 9. Okay, these are some of the websites that you can use to access your Landsat images from. Some of these are paid. The first one here is a free website. You can access Landsat images here for free. Now, when you talk about imagery, remember Landsat images or satellite images, they take the picture of the planet Earth from more than 40,000 kilometers up there in space. So when they're taking pictures, they're going to take pictures of the land. So if it's a rainy day, if there's so much rain, there'll be a lot of clouds as well, right? So when there's a lot of clouds, there'll be a lot of masking. Okay, there'll be a lot of cloud that is covering the green surface, the land surface area. So when you are trying to download these images, try to reduce your cloud cover percentage. Okay, I'll show you how to do that in the extraction stage, how to download images. Okay, try to reduce the amount of cloud cover that you get per image. These are the bands that you require. When you're downloading images, or when you're downloading the Landsat images, just look at the band. Should be band 3 and band 4. For Landsat 8 and 9, it's band 4 and 5. Sentinel-2, it's 4 and 8. So you have to know which satellite you're using, which satellite you're using, and what image you're going to download. Okay, your objective in the end here is to complete an NDVI raster analysis, classify the colors into the health of the vegetation cover, create a legend explaining all the different classes, and then explain a little bit about those classes. We will go through it individually one by one. So what I want you to do now is open your QGIS software. This table here will be important for us today. Eh? This will be one of the important tables that you will be using today. After the software analyzes the images, then you'll use these numbers to classify your vegetation count. We will come back to topic subtopic number 8 after we do the classification. Okay. So before I want you to open your software, QGIS software, just open it and then minimize it again. Okay, this yeah, just open a new one. Save whatever you were doing and close it. Okay, just what I need you to do is just try and open it and then minimize. And then try to go here to your Google or whatever website or internet you're using and search for USGS, Earth Explorer. USGS Earth Explorer. Here, the same thing we did last week when we tried to create our account for open topography. We have to do that again here. You won't be able to download a Landsat image if you don't have an account with them. Go to this site here, USGS Earth Explorer. Yeah, you already here? So as soon as you go, click on that website and then try to create your own account. Soon as you open USGS Earth Explorer, this is the interface that will appear in your screen, right? Then what you do is try and log in the top right corner here. If you can't log in, it'll ask you to create an account. What does it say when you try to log in? See, if you're facing difficulties, try to use your phone internet, or your Wi-Fi from your phone, because this FNE Wi-Fi is a bit slow. You try to create an account. Remember, use that email that you are currently using. Yeah, they will try and save your notification code on your current tools.
God bless. No.
Try to create an account. Once you create your account, try login.
But just having patience.
Okay, so by now we should be in this stage. Yeah, we should be here. Lucy, kita nak cik, this side. Okay. This is the interface where you go into the website or into this website and start pulling out data. In this stage, you need a good internet connection, not digital Fiji type of connection.
Oh.
Yeah? Try and look for someone's Wi-Fi that has a good internet connection. Try get a good internet connection.
Call daddy.
Set. Pilih ke? Saya set tu. Once you have a good connection, then we will start. Set. All good? Ariata?
No.
Okay, what you do here is try look for Fiji. Yeah. Browse through this map and look for Fiji. Okay, in this corner here, you look. As soon as the website opens, it will automatically say US features, but you want Fiji and other world features. So you go to world features. Country here, you select Fiji. Okay, don't change anything else. Then you go to Fiji map, locate Fiji map. Look for Vitilevu. Look for Vitilevu on this map. Make sure you type in Fiji here and world features. World features, Fiji, and then look for the Fiji vitilevel map.
Yes.
Set. Now it's trying to ask you want information for which area. What I will do here is I'll just use the map that is already shown. So I'll say use map. You can use map. Use map, and this feature here will turn red. Then what I will need to do is try and reduce cloud cover. It says data range, cloud cover. Right now it's 100%. So the data that I'm going to get, the satellite images I'm going to get will have 0 to 100% cloud cover. What I will do is try and reduce it only to 40%. Or maybe I'll try 19%. Here. I hope everyone is following. See the settings here. Try and follow the settings here on this left side. On this one.
Ini kan nice.
One stuck. Select the dates. Okay, once you have reduced your cloud cover, okay, go to date range. It's going to ask you want images from which date to which date. Here, this bottom left corner. Here. This corner. So what I'll try and do is I'll try and take an image from 2024. 2024, August 1st. And then I'll try 2026, August 1st. So it's going to search all data from 2024 to 2026 on the only on the 1st of August. Okay. Once I got all of that, then I search for data sets. Now I need Landsat images. Landsat images. So I will go to Landsat. Here, Landsat, it'll be red, Landsat. Open that. Then I will use Landsat collection 2, level 2. Landsat collection 2, level 2. After that, click on this. Set. Now I'll go to results. What are some of the results that it will show? Data set. So these are all the images that has been retrieved. See, compare this one here. Look at the clouds on this image, right? And look at the clouds on this image. Okay. Okay. Level 1 reflective. So this one, this is like just a reference image. This image you can actually see the color of the ground. So I will select this image because the cloud cover is a bit old. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. LC09 L2S5. Where is it? Date acquired is 24th June 2026. So this is a 2026 map. These are all 2026 maps, eh? So I'll just use this one. Try to look for the same image. June 2026. Set, you got that? Now try and download it, eh? Select the image. Select the image, and then what I'll do is go right to the bottom, open in new window. Open the new window and then download. Okay, if you look at the options that it is giving you, it's giving you surface reflectance and surface temperature bands. Temperature bands, you use this for thermal imagery. If you want to look at the temperature. We are not looking at that today, so we are looking at surface bands. I'll only select the files that I want to download. Kim sa ati ke? Eh? Siya nga? If you're not there yet, select the image. The date is 2026/6/24. Look for that date. 24th June 2024. Look for this date. Click on that image. Go right to the bottom. Open new window. Open new window. And then it'll ask you to download. The option is right at the bottom. Once you click on that image there, once you click there, it will show you the image. Then you open the new window. Go to downloads, right at the bottom. Download. Select files. Deselect all of these files. Now go back to your practical question. Go back to your practical.
When required.
Here. This table here. We are using Landsat 8 and 9. Okay? You remember? If you remember when we were working here, we use this one, Landsat 8 and 9. Okay? So that means we will only download band 4 and band 5, right? Band 4 and band 5. So go back to that and only download band 4 and band 5. And band 5. And also this one here, QA pixel TIFF. Set. Not all, only QA pixel, band 4 and band 5. Only those three. Download selected. All selected. Set download.
Então, ok. No, ok, está. Puta. Hey. Download on selectors. Now. Okay.
Usa download bro.
Oh, is that second house?
So as soon as you get that, go to your QGIS. You add a layer, add your raster layers, eh? Add your raster layers, go to your downloads. Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm back.
It is band 5 and band 4. Open band 4 and band 5.
Iya.
Downloads. Okay, once you download it, it will be in your download folder. Then you go to your QGIS, open your raster layer, add raster layer, and then go to your download folder and then load the band 4 and band 5 Landsat images. Okay, go to your downloads, band 4 and band 5. If you go to your image, it will be written here, band 5. Band 4 will be written there as well. Band 4. When you open that, this is what you will see on your
What? She's from Texas, so I can see. Wait.
Set. Let me know if you're here.
Minus. Yes. Come on.
Set, let's move on, eh? Once you have this in your image, you go to raster on top here. Go to raster, check for raster calculator. Set. This is where you enter that formula. Eh? What's the formula that's supposed to be used? B5 minus B4 divided by B5 plus B5. NIR minus red, NIR plus red. Okay, so here I'll enter equal sign, open bracket, B5 minus A. B5 minus B4 divided by open bracket B5 plus B4 close bracket. Okay, if you press OK, it will start calculating. Set, already calculate.
Yeah. Yes. Well, before numbers. Oh, alright. Why is it not showing anything?
Sa download ko siya.
Iyo.
Sa download ko.
Sa kausa ng metal is not. Hindi mo sa
I said connect to a good network. Okay? You're gonna connect to the network more because you download this here. It's not good. Look for good.
Sa kahit ano, tinatawag ka na QGIS. You press this one. Pretend off. Yeah. You press it one. And then you see it in the image.
What is a mouse? Mouse? No. No.
Wait, guys, so one by one. Yeah.
Your internet is not download one by one.
Oh, battery. Yes, that's the
See, after you calculate the NDVI, you double click on that output image, it should give you this. So what you do is you convert from single band to multi-band color. Sorry, single band pseudo color. So when it says minimum and max, you go to that Microsoft Word document, to the table, and look for all these, -1 to 1. You only need from -1 to 1. So here I'll put -1 and 1. How many classes do I want? I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different classes. Equal interval. 6 classes. Once you have that, then you press classify. color ramp, spectral. Give one. So now it is classified 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 classifications. Put apply. Press OK. Okay, if I see water bodies, -1 to 0 is water surfaces. If it's a water surface, what color is it supposed to be? Blue, eh? Blue. 8 to 1 is very high or dense. So -1 to 0. And I set up all my colors to reflect the different. Okay, so what it's trying to do here is the dark green areas that it's showing, those are the healthy vegetation cover. The light green, those are either grasslands or there is not much forests or trees in those areas. You have to set up your color ramps here, your vegetation, with the color ramp that is on your practical table, this one. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll delete this one again, and then I'll go back and restart the calculation. If you have not done the calculation, go to raster calculator. What's the formula?
Before minus 5.
B4 minus B5, which is Ben4 minus Ben5, close bracket, divided by open bracket, Ben4 plus Ben5, close bracket. You have to save. Save it somewhere. You have to save, and then the OK button will come on. Press on OK, then it will start calculating. So what it's doing now, it's classifying band 4 and band 5 colors, classifying all the different vegetation colors. This is the image that it produces. This image is producing the output of the formula. It's producing the output of the formula, the NDVI formula. Here it's still looking like a gray color. Okay, what you need to do after this is go to that NDVI, double click there, and then change your color ramp. This one. From single band gray, because you're only seeing gray, to single band pseudo color. Your minimum here is supposed to be -1. Your maximum is 1. Just like the numbers on this table. NDVI from -1 to +1. You have to change from -1 to +1. Right? You want five different classes here. So if you want to change that, you go to equal intervals, change to 5 classes, and then classify. It will say classify. So I'll use spectral colors. Here it says dark blue is supposed to be healthy vegetation. Dark blue healthy vegetation, -1 to 0, these are all water. 1, 2, 3, red, orange, and yellow, this is all water bodies. Then slightly healthy to healthy vegetation. If I apply, press apply, gives you a different color. So if it gives you a different color, that means you have to change your color ramps again. Since -1 to 0 is water, select water bodies. Okay, you can play around with the colors. And this one is supposed to be healthy vegetation or dark green. It's supposed to be B5 minus B4, not B4 plus B5. So there's a wrong calculation here. B5 minus B4, not B4 minus B5. Let me correct that again. Wrong calculation. B5 minus B4. B5 minus B4, band 4. Divided by B5 plus B4. Right? And then I reclassify the image. -1.
B5 minus B4.
B5 minus B4 divided by B5 plus B4. That's it's giving me all the vegetation areas. Orange is what orange means, it's either a water body. This is the what's that? Monosabudium. Okay. Right now I'm looking at other orange colors. These orange colors, these are your cloud. If it's giving you orange like this, it means that you have your clouds. So what you need to do is mask those clouds, remove those cloud layers. So, but this basically is how you conduct your, how you assess or you analyze the vegetation cover of wherever you want to analyze. For example, if you want to do it in Vanuatu, go back to USGS, download Landsat images for Vanuatu, and then run the analysis again. So this is basically your practical 3. Okay, this is a recorded lecture. The video is, I'll put it online as well. If you are unable to do it here, try by following the video. Saya tiba kamera. Sakala tak tunggu. What's wrong with this? Should be 1, this one is negative 1. Shoot.
Yes.
Remember when I orange one?
Yes. Stop. Wait, I'm going to okay, so we have some.
You know, I even want something. And you want me to no, you get a man, and I know something.
No. Look, I saw the change.
And I'm not estamos watching cariño. Vale, en verdad pues estamos en especie de rock. Oi, claro. A foto. No, I mean like. No, I sì, sono cantato You first project, you say, hey, favorite female.
Was just an hour.
So now we have a presentation, eh? Presentation about that.
Yes.
We only have 15 minutes. You want to send your presentation so that I can upload it? Send my presentation. See, you know, mo. Just like that.
Focus, give me five.